Alright, here we are. 55 restoration. We put the Z-Chrome on it. Blocked it out this morning with 80 grit because you can do that. Got most of the humps out of it, and we primed it again. The kind of primer we're using on this is real expensive primer. It's supposed to be the best. Not supposed to shrink, of course. Never seen a primer that didn't shrink. We'll find out what kind of primer we put on that. What kind of primer did we put on that?
I don't know. Why are you recording?
55.
You got a new phone?
No.
Primer? Telling this stuff?
No.
What is that?
No, after that. What's the number of it? 3055?
Yeah.
What's the first three letters?
3055. Maybe DAS.
What is that?
DPS.
Is that your new phone?
DPS 3055.
Is that your new phone?
No, it's old phone.
You just activated it again? Got tired of the
No,
huh?
I use Wi-Fi. I don't even use this thing for all that garbage.
So what do you use it for?
Anyhow, we've got a good primer on there, and we're about done with it.
I was making a video.